Basic prompting with Gemini. Now, basic prompting is not, please tell me the best Mexican restaurant that is close to me. That's a Google search. Let's do a real prompt here. So, I would like a math problem of the day for 5th grade on adding and subtracting fractions. I'm going to be very precise about that because that's exactly what I want. And here's the response. I have a problem of the day with fractions. Wow, this is really great. If I want to share this out with my students, I'm going to be able to. If I click the share button, you'll see one of the options is export to a docs. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Right, open up in docs. Whoa, wait a second. My fractions look a little weird here. I think I'm going to have to fix them. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this 4/3 that's in here because it should be 3/4. Completely messed up the fraction. Go ahead and hit that. I'm going to go up to insert. And I'm going to go down to equation. I'm going to find the equation that I need. It's right here. And now I have to put in 3/4. Now I can do the same thing with the rest of these fractions that are in here. This should be 1/8. There we go. All right, I think I've got all of the fractions in here now. I'm going to go back to the prompt here. You're going to see that I can copy it, I can check it, and I can even listen to it.
Absolutely. Here's a math problem of the day for a 5th grader focusing on adding and subtracting fractions. Maria is baking cookies. The recipe calls for frac 3/4 cup of flour and frac 1/8 cup of sugar. A. How many cups of flour and sugar does Maria need in total?
Did you see how my prompt really helped me to get that great problem? Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Gemini.